How to unhide hidden apps in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to unhide your hidden apps, then simply open App Library and then click on Hidden Folder. Now enter your Face ID. Now here you can see your hidden app, and if you want to unhide it, then simply press and hold on your app and then click on Don't Require Face ID. Enter your passcode and then it will unhide your app. So this is the way to unhide hidden apps in iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.